Hello, and you're watching Claptrap. We're back again and again. Welcome to the world of luxury. Going to a house that has been serving not only film artists, celebrities, politicians, industrialists. Also, they are known for luxury segment furniture units. We have done multiple videos with them. Let's take a small introduction of Luxurio Boutiques Home located in Hyderabad. There's a massive sale going on. Let's begin the video.
Hello Gitesh ji.
हेलो संजीव जी,
Welcome back to Claptrap.
थैंक यू वेरी मच। आपका भी हैदराबाद में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
Thank you very much. And our favorite store, Luxurio Boutique Homes, for quality and design.
यस सर, एब्सोल्युटली।
जब भी हैदराबाद में आते हैं तो it's amazing. I mean हर बार कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिलता है.
थैंक यू सर।
Alright. So for the people those who have joined us recently, and now you know the Claptrap family is getting larger day by day,
Yes.
going leaps and bounds.
Yes.
So we need to brief a little bit about the company, then we'll come to the point.
Definitely sir. So Luxurio Boutique Homes, as everyone knows, and for the new Claptrap family members also, I'm just taking you a brief of the entire brand. We are a furniture manufacturing brand in India. We manufacture bespoke customized furniture for all our clients for the requirements, needs according to their house. उनका थीम क्या है, उनको कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस क्या चाहिए, उनको साइज़ क्या चाहिए with respect to that. And these are not regular products that are available in the market. These are all luxury products which are available at premium luxury stores pan India from different brands in Italy, China and every other places. हम वही ब्रांड्स के हिसाब से पूरा डिज़ाइंस कस्टमाइज़ करते हैं और कस्टमर्स तक अपने पहुंचाते हैं. वी कैन चेंज द साइज, कलर, ज्योमेट्री, everything of the product, and we can also manufacture an exact product given to us by a client or a designer or an architect. So we are specialized in doing all those activities.
All right. Furniture fraternity is, to my understanding, is either mass production driven or it is a design driven industry.
Yes sir.
But when it comes to premium segment, it's of course its quality is very important, but its designs are very important.
Yes.
The power of people actually harness the power of design. So people like you, those who have amazing designs. So do we have a team of people those who design for us?
Yes sir. So there is a full team of back-end design team with us. So especially I personally take care of the design team. I am the HOD for the design team.
All right.
And the entire team works very hard in giving proper shape, sizes, color combinations, which is the most important thing. आप चाहे कितना भी अच्छा मटेरियल लगा लीजिए, अगर फिर वो कलर आपके घर में जेल नहीं हो रहा है,
right,
then that furniture piece will not look good. That furniture piece might look good, very beautiful in the showroom where you are actually seeing it and buying it from. But before buying it, please step a foot back and think whether that color will look good at your place or not. Product हमारा अभी लॉन्च हुआ है, नया प्रोडक्ट रहने दीजिए, पुराना प्रोडक्ट रहने दीजिए, पिछले 1 साल का जो भी हमारा कैटलॉग है उन सभी पे 50% ऑफ हम लोग आपको ऑफर कर रहे हैं ऑन रेडी स्टॉक्स ओनली.
Okay.
जो
50% flat off.
50% flat off on ready stocks. On customized furniture there is no 50%. It is the standard Claptrap discount that we give, which is 25% on that.
All right.
बाकी पूरा on store product on ready stocks we are ready to give 50% off for this year end clearance sale.
Okay, but generally, since you and me are acquainted with each other, but a lot of people will definitely ask, like, how do we make this possible happen? Since a lot of people, they will ask you the question. So, on their behalf, I'm this. How do you make this possible?
Sir, it is not that we are making it possible. एक तो दो चीज़ है, हमने इसमें सेल लगा दिया है, तो we have given up our margins. Whenever it is sale, ठीक है, मेरे पास प्रोडक्ट का क्वांटिटी ज़्यादा है, हमने बल्क मैन्युफैक्चर करके रखा है, सो हमारा बल्क मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का जो मार्जिन हमें बचता है तो वो हम क्लाइंट को छोड़ रहे हैं.
Okay.
If I manufacture one chair of this, it would be around 30 to 40,000 rupees. But if I manufacture 10 pieces of this, almost 15 to 20% costing come down.
Okay.
I will purchase foam in bulk, frames in bulk, fabric in bulk.
So mass production.
So it's a mass production. So हमने अभी mass production catalog भी हमारा launch कर दिया है, where all these products will be available with us. Till now, Luxurio was a boutique store only where we used to customize products for our client, and we doesn't used to keep stocks.
Okay.
And we used to only supply. Now for our retail clients also, we have models which we are keeping continuously in stocks.
All right.
So those products will come at a lesser cost to our client with the same quality.
Right.
So इसमें limitations है कि आप अगर प्रोडक्ट लेके आ रहे हो तो वो तो वही प्राइस का है जो पहले था, बट थोड़े प्रोडक्ट्स हमने उनमें से सेग्रीगेट कर बल्क में बना लिए हैं जिनका प्राइस हम आपको 15 to 20% लेसर और दे सकते हैं क्लाइंट को, बट दे हैव टू सेलेक्ट फ्रॉम दोज प्रोडक्ट्स ओनली. इट्स अ प्रीडिफाइंड कैटलॉग नाउ.
Okay, it's more like clothing industry की तरह है. Basically, you have a certain amount of margin fixed in the beginning of the year. Once you achieve this, then you want to clear your inventory.
Absolutely, year-end
like
sale
that.
is that only. Year-end sale is to achieve your targets, remove your inventory,
Okay.
and get fresh inventory for the fresh year in.
All right, done. So 50% flat off from the day the video is uploaded for how many days?
Till 5th of March, 25 days. 50% off for 25 days.
For 25 days.
Yes.
Okay, done. All the units, they are available in very good shape. I know that, and quality is
They are
already
all
assured.
they are all new pieces. 50% ये clearance sale नहीं है. Clearance sale का मतलब ये होता है कि as in as is, फटा है तो भी आपका, खराब है तो भी आपका, वो नहीं है. This is a year-end sale. All are new pieces, fresh pieces.
But any which ways you can't do it because there's a promise attached to your company, and
Absolutely.
you cannot defy people.
Yes.
The deliverance of promise is very important when it comes
So
to the
we are
brand like
making it
yours.
very clear. It's all new pieces, fresh pieces, and we have them in quantity. Few pieces from ranging from 5 to 10 piece each.
Okay.
Okay. So with respect to that, till the stocks are there, till the offer is there, we are going to get 50%. After the offer is over, after the date is gone, if we are still remaining with stocks, also the 50% will not come.
All right. ठीक है. Done. And no kind of customization is possible unless you have variety available.
Customization is possible in this, but then 50% आपको नहीं आएगा.
ठीक बात है.
क्योंकि मैं ready stocks पे 50% दे रहा हूँ. I've already made these pieces and kept.
Okay.
So if there's any customization, then again I have to make a new piece for the client.
I know.
So that is not a sale then. That's a new order to me.
Right.
Yes.
Let's start the journey now.
Sure,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir. So ये हमारा और एक सोफा है. So this is a modular sofa. Like in this, every seat is different.
Okay.
So ये seat आप जो देख रहे हो, this we can remove and we can attach it here. And then we can continue the sofa and then आखिरी में हम एक handle भी दे सकते हैं.
Oh, okay.
Handle वाला. It is like 3 different modular sofas. So you can add on, remove anything, anywhere, change the orientation. I can just flip this off, get it here. And then that get उसको वो corner में लगा दूंगा.
जी.
एक long sofa भी बन जाएगा.
Right.
Additions and deletions in this model are very easily possible. Client के घर के हिसाब से each seat is a multiple of 24 inches. 24 add करते हुए client आगे जा सकता है इसमें.
Okay.
Yes sir. तो ये 24 inches के multiple में जाएगा client के घर में. और जो lounger side है, if we want to add on, we can add on in whatever the size the customer wants to.
All right.
And
Okay. Extension is possible.
Extensions are possible. Any size, any width, any length.
Okay.
इसकी एक speciality ये है. In the previous sofa, we have seen a motorized recliner.
Right.
Okay. This is also a motorized recliner. I'll just show you. See this?
Okay.
So this has come. Okay. So it will recline more. अभी तो वो stable रखा है. Now if you can see वो neck rest हमने किया था manually adjust.
Right.
Now this is neck rest is adjustable.
But mechanically.
Mechanically. So you
Motorized.
can sit. You don't have to do it manually. आपके गर्दन के हिसाब से वो अपने आप ही adjust हो जाएगा.
All right. Or
आगे-
you stop it wherever you want
Yeah,
to.
it is 1 mm. Every mm can be adjusted.
Okay. Super.
And it is down. So this is that luxury. अगर हमें recliner चाहिए तो एक तो manual आ जाता है आपके पास में जो खाली लीवर खींचने पर आपको recline हो जाएगा. वो डायरेक्ट 135 जाएगा.
बिल्कुल.
ठीक है. हमने मोटराइज लिया जो आपका सीटिंग पोजीशन और बैक को कंफर्ट देगा.
Okay.
This is motorized with neck motor, which is even giving you neck support.
All right.
So every feature is added on cost. Every feature adding is an added cost.
Right.
मैं अगर मैनुअल दूंगा तो उसका 10
बिल्कुल.
रुपए है. मोटराइज दूंगा 15 रुपए. मोटराइज विद नेक सपोर्ट दूंगा 25 रुपए चला जाएगा.
Means double motor in layman's language.
Yes,
Right?
double motor. This is 3 motor.
There are 3 motors.
Base, bottom, base, back and neck.
Oh,
There are
okay.
3 motors in this.
Okay, this is for the convenience of people, those who want to understand in the local language. This is 3
Absolutely.
motors, 2 motors, single motor, what kind of moment you want. And
Yes.
then there are manuals as well.
There are manuals as well.
Do we make
are-
manuals?
We don't make manuals. We are
Okay.
only starting range of us is dual motor and 3 motor.
All right.
We are not doing single motor also.
Okay, done. And smart legs, huh? This is very rare to find in India.
Yes.
How much is this for, the whole unit?
So both the recliners prices, they have just
On request?
launched in this video. We are launching recliner section officially on Claptrap today.
Okay.
We have not given recliners to anyone before. These are newly made products.
Okay.
50% हम इस पे भी देंगे clients को. But अभी हम recliners बस launch कर रहे हैं. Pricing इसका आना है हमारे पास.
On request.
Yeah,
ठीक है.
on request है.
Moving on to the next one.
Yes sir, I'll just. Yes sir. Now this is a sofa, totally L-shaped lounger without any mechanism, without anything. It's a very comfortable sofa for watching TVs and every other thing. इसका जो structure है, it is all 10 inches foam. made in mattress technology again, where the entire comfort and care is taken for the client. ये सोफा जो हम देख रहे हैं इको लेदर में है. इसके पहले वाला जो हमने रिक्लाइनर देखा था वो फुल प्योर लेदर में था.
ओके.
और उसके पहले वाला रिक्लाइनर जो हमने योगा ग्रीन कलर में देखा था, वो योगा ग्रीन कलर जहां पर भी था वो इको लेदर है, और ग्रे कलर जहां पर भी था वो पूरा लेदर था.
ओके.
सो वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड अ सोफा कैन बी मेड इन व्हाट ऑल पॉसिबिलिटीज.
ऑलराइट.
ठीक है. पहले एक होता है वन फुल सोफा इन वन सिंगल मटेरियल. फैब्रिक अगर होगा तो हम पूरा फैब्रिक में बनाते हैं. जब लेदर की बात आ जाती है तो लेदर में उसको 3 तरीके में बनता है. एक पूरा सोफा प्योर लेदर में, जिसमें हैंड्स, बैक, बॉटम, नेक सब चीज प्योर लेदर लगता है. एक सेकंड बनता है हाफ लेदर, मतलब वेयर दैट इज कॉल्ड बॉडी टच लेदर.
ऑलराइट.
Wherever you sit and you can touch your hands,
that part is leather.
that part is pure leather, remaining part is eco leather.
Right.
Okay.
And the
उसमें
third
क्या
is?
हो जाता है, सोफे का लेदर वाइज कॉस्टिंग कम हो जाता है.
बिल्कुल. It becomes pocket friendly.
Yes, pocket friendly हो जाता है, and the features are same, look is same.
But color harmony is possible.
Color, if you are doing a contrast or like we have done for the yoga green, it adds charm and it is not noticeable.
Okay.
But same color भी मिलता है आपको.
You
Half
get the
leather
same
में
color.
you get the
right?
same
These
color
are yes, eco leatherites
Eco
are
leather.
very
Yes.
as in very popular. So they're
Yes.
coming in different colors.
Absolutely.
Okay. Talking about
and
this
the third
one,
is pure eco leather.
100%.
100%
Okay.
eco leather, no natural leather in this. So this changes the costing of the sofa a lot.
Like for this one, how much is this for?
Yeah, this sofa MRP is 2,74,000. आपको डिस्काउंट के बाद में ये आ जाएगा 1,37,500 में,
All
which
right.
is a 4-seater and a lounger.
Okay.
In
ठीक है.
eco leather, pure solid wood, everything is intact.
Okay. We'll start this new range of dining sets now.
Yes, sir.
quickly. And this is 6-seater.
This is luxury 6-seater, sir. If you can see, currently 8-seater का chairs हम लोग तो हमने combination लगा के रखा है, 3 there, 3 here and 1 here.
Okay.
So people can use it as a 6-seater luxury or an 8-seater compact.
Okay.
Both the things it is possible in this. So this is a very beautiful dining table that we have got.
What is this top made of?
This is pure Italian Satvario marble, sir.
Okay. Done.
Currently on the top.
How much is this for?
This table is for after discount 1,05,000 rupees.
Okay. Different console dining. I don't know. What do you call this?
So this is actually a console. This is a bar counter. This is a multi-purpose table that we have. ठीक है. It was made for a client's order. But क्या हो गया था? हम थोड़ा डिले हो गए थे उनको देने में.
अच्छा.
तो हमें ऑर्डर कैंसिल करना पड़ा बिकॉज इसका जो शेपिंग है, जो उसका बैलेंसिंग हो नहीं पा रहा था. इट वाज अ इंट्रिंसिक डिजाइन. इट वाज रफ स्केच गिवन बाय क्लाइंट.
Okay.
तो हमें बहुत टाइम लग गया था वो करने
This
में.
has got a lot of open endings.
Yes, this has got lot of open endings. Nothing is connected. अगर इसको स्ट्रक्चरली सपोर्ट देना फर्स्ट टाइम बनाने में
Technically was
बहुत
not
मुश्किल हो गया
possible.
था. इसीलिए नाउ बट व्हेन वी हैव गॉट इट डन, दिस इज लुकिंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी चार्मिंग. तो इसलिए हमने उसको स्टोर पे रख लिया हमारे पास.
All right. I think this is very nice. क्या प्राइस है इसका?
सर इसका MRP है 1,79,999. और फिलहाल ये मेरे ख्याल से सेल में नहीं है. हमने स्टोर डेकोर के जैसा रखा हुआ है.
ठीक है.
अगर और पीसेस चाहिए तो हम 30% ऑफ में उसको बना के दे सकते हैं.
1,79,000.
Yes.
Okay. This is Armani beige sort of marble top.
This is quads, premium quads.
Okay.
ये पूरा क्वार्ट्ज का स्टोन है. क्वार्ट्ज को लिया है, ब्यूटीफुली बिवलिंग किया है साइड में, नीचे के साइड में भी, और ऊपर पॉलिएस्टर किया है. सो दिस वुड बी द फर्स्ट पॉलिएस्टर क्वार्ट्ज प्लेन टेबल.
Okay.
लिटिल अर्दी कलेक्शन हमारा. जैसा हमने बाहर अर्दी सोफा सेट्स वगैरह देखे हैं, समवन वांट्स टू मेक दैट अर्दी हाउस, दिस कैन गो देयर वेरी नाइसली.
Okay.
प्लेन व्हाइट क्रीम वॉल्स उसके बीच में रखा हुआ है. आई एम जस्ट इमेजिनिंग एंड आई एम जस्ट बीइंग हैप्पी.
I know, even I am feeling very happy. There's something like this. This is the color exactly I was looking for my countertop for the kitchen. I got that color. I'll ask the people who are working on the kitchen to make something like this. Very nice, very beautiful.
Very beautiful. And if you can see, यहाँ पर हमने chairs भी we have not kept colorful.
It will not go with it.
Yes, we have kept tints and shades of this.
Okay.
Now tints and shades का ये मतलब हो जाता है इसी का light and darker टोन हम चेयर का लेंगे या कोई भी इसके आसपास का फैब्रिक का लेंगे.
Okay.
And we will add only accents on the wall, not on the chair. So this is called a monochrome color scheme that we have got it. A beautiful tan shade top. उसका मैचिंग का हमने लिया लेदराइट सामने के तरफ में, बिकॉज व्हेन यू ईट देयर आर किड्स इन द हाउस, वाटर स्पिलेज होगा या फूड स्पिलेज होगा, तो लेदराइट इको लेदर इज अ मेंटेनेंस फ्री मटेरियल. पीछे हमने डिजाइन एलिमेंट के हिसाब से इसमें फ्लूट कर फैब्रिक लिया है स्वेड का, विच इज अ लाइटर शेड, अ टिंट ऑफ दैट.
Okay, got
So
it.
उसके हिसाब से जब ये 6-seater set लगेगा with a chandelier or anything on the top at client's house, it will look superb.
All right. How much is this for without the chairs?
So this table would be around 6-seater और 8-seater, जो भी आप बोले इसको आपके उसमें, हम तो यहाँ 6-seater ही बोल रहे हैं.
हाँ.
It is 1.5 lakhs टेबल, और जो चेयर है आफ्टर डिस्काउंट 15,000 का एक चेयर पड़ेगा ये.
All right. ठीक है. चलिए अभी ये दिखाते हैं. ब्रश गोल्ड फिनिश में इसका बेस है.
यस, ब्रश गोल्ड फिनिश बेस, सतवारी और टॉप, ब्यूटीफुल मोरक्कन नियो क्लासिक फैब्रिक एंड eco leather and very nice sleek. If you can see this, very light pink color.
Okay.
This is for the people who love colors, not too loud, not regular, little different.
Right.
These are like French colors. जो बोलते हैं ना फ्रेंच पेस्टल कलर्स हमारे हैं, ये उस वो सीरीज में हमने ये सेट बनाया हुआ है.
चलिए. I can see there are two beautiful logs also. They are Satwari again.
Satwari again.
Okay. And you can make it with or without both.
We can do that
without the logs.
We can do that we can do that without logs as well.
And how much is this for?
This table after discount is 1 lakh now. 2 लाख रुपए इसका एमआरपी है. 1 लाख रुपए में टेबल आ जाएगा. चेयर आपको ये लेना है या कोई भी दूसरा चेयर लेना है, वी हैव चेयर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 6,000 rupees. The client can select from them also. This chair is आफ्टर डिस्काउंट 25,000 रुपी पर चेयर.
ठीक है. लास्ट टाइम हमने डिस्कस किया था कि जब आपका टेबल हल्का होता जाता है, स्लिमर स्लीकर, तो आपके चेयर्स भी थोड़े से स्लीकर होते जाते हैं.
Absolutely.
You should not go for very heavy bulky chairs.
Yes. So if you are selecting a dining table, then select a chair, or else if you are chair phobic, if you want to select a chair first, select your tops can be made razor thin blade में भी बन सकता है आपका, हाफ स्टोन में बन सकता है, 1.5 स्टोन में बन सकता है, 2 इंच में भी बन सकता है, 4 इंच में भी बन सकता है टॉप. तो आपका चेयर सेलेक्ट करिए, उसके हिसाब से टॉप लीजिए. ऐसा नहीं हो जाएगा कि आप एक बल्कि चेयर ले रहे हो और उसके साथ में रेजर थिन टॉप लिया.
हाँ, it will not match. It will not match at all. It will not match at all. This is a very common mistake what people make.
Yes.
Okay, coming to the next one now. This is crystal onyx.
This is onyx, sir.
Okay.
Crystal onyx inlay. Inlay आप पैटर्न देख के समझ ही गए होंगे कि किसका है.
Right. Our favorite.
Yeah.
Versace.
Yes. So this is. We have tried to make an inlay out of it in the corners. And we have got a very beautiful hand knotted chair.
These are imported?
These are imported, so these are not.
I saw them in Turkey.
Yes, these are imported.
Very popular there.
Yes.
And they are making beds also. They are making sofas also in the same pattern.
They'll start, sir. Currently, so अभी हमें थोड़ा imported chairs हम लोग रख रहे हैं just to because clients का demand आ रहा है कि sir I want imported chairs जो pricing कम रहे हैं, because T code वगैरह में या फिर pure stainless steel 304 में everyone cannot take them. वो हिसाब से we are taking this. और उसमें क्या हो रहा है कि हमारा भी प्राइसिंग हम वही चेयर्स इंपोर्टेड के रख रहे हैं जिसकी क्वालिटी अच्छी है.
ठीक बात है.
ऐसा नहीं है कि वो खराब हो,
कोई भी लेके आ
हाँ यस खराब हो या कुछ हो. चेयर्स, डाइनिंग चेयर्स हमने इंपोर्टेड रखना स्टार्ट किया हुआ है, विच आर वेरी गुड इन क्लास.
How much is this for? This table and chair?
This table MRP is 3,80,000 सर. इसका डिस्काउंट के बाद में आपका आ जाएगा 1,90,000 के आसपास में टेबल आ जाएगा.
ठीक है.
और आपका जो चेयर है 12,500 रुपए आफ्टर डिस्काउंट. 12,500 आफ्टर डिस्काउंट इज वन चेयर.
ऑलराइट, ठीक है. चलिए we'll go to the next one now. अगला देखते हैं डाइनिंग में.
So this is again a design element that we have introduced, sir. अभी तक ये डिजाइन कहीं पर भी देखा नहीं गया है, कहीं पर भी यूज किया गया नहीं है. But I am sure after the video is launched, you will see it at many product places.
Okay.
Okay. And roaming on WhatsApp. इसका प्राइस मालूम करिए सर बोल के.
Any which ways, देखिए कितेश जी, Claptrap has become more like more like a dictionary and yellow pages.
Pinterest of YouTube.
हाँ, it is Pinterest of YouTube, very true. And it's not just about among the people those who are into manufacturing industry.
Yes.
And
so that is why when my viewers are same, when my buyers are from the same community, same everything. तो उनको जब आज एक अगर हम हैदराबाद की बात करें, so there is a niche market. All the premium projects are going at one particular place.
Very true.
Okay. So if there is an apartment of 50 flats and if I don't change my designs every month, so पूरे 50 फ्लैट में वही 5 डिजाइन घूमेंगे जो सिटी में चल रहे हैं.
हाँ, they'll be all identical.
They'll be all identical. So this industry is now fashion industry.
Very true.
This is not a necessity industry कि भाई ये खादी हो गया कि हमें चाहिए ही चाहिए.
हाँ, मतलब इस बात में style and design oriented.
If you are not innovating, you are left behind.
Very true. Talking about this now, when you were giving Pulse of Wisdom, we were showing this unit. How much is this for? 8-seater?
So yeah, this is an 8-seater. The MRP of this unit is 8 lakh rupees, and after discount of 50% is 4 lakh rupees सर. इसका प्राइस ज्यादा है, मैं खुद आपको बोल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि इसमें जो नीचे काम किया हुआ है वो 100% सॉलिड शीट्स है. There is no frames in that.
Right.
जैसा हमारा दूसरा कोई फ्रेम का वजन 100 किलो आ रहा था, ये फ्रेम का वजन 200 प्लस किलो है.
Okay, got it.
ओके, तो उसका पीवीडी कॉस्ट, उसका मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट, उसका रॉ मटेरियल कॉस्ट बढ़ गया है, और हमारे डिजाइनर्स ने उसको और महंगा किया. इंस्टेड ऑफ पुटिंग सम प्लेन ऑनेक्स टॉप ऑन दिस, दे हैव गॉट ऑनेक्स, जो 1000 रुपया स्क्वायर फुट का आसपास का रॉ मटेरियल है, उसके ऊपर में हम प्रोसेस करते हैं. They have got selenite which is 5,000 rupees. They have got agate which is again 5,000 rupees per square foot material.
Very true.
So यहाँ पर से इसका जो ये बीच का जो पीस हम देख रहे हैं, if it is 4x4, 16 square foot into 5,000 square rupees raw, और अगर हम पॉलिश करके सब कर उसको 10,000 होता है, तो 1.5 लाख रुपए का तो खाली बीच का पीस है उसका.
राइट. तो जो प्राइस आपने कोट किया वो पूरे टेबल का
कोट किया है
4 लाख रुपए.
4 लाख रुपीस पूरा टेबल का प्राइस हम कोट कर रहे हैं. ये
एमआरपी के बाद का प्राइस है कि आफ्टर डिस्काउंट है, बिफोर डिस्काउंट?
आफ्टर डिस्काउंट है सर. 8 लाख रुपए इसका एमआरपी है, 4 लाख रुपए ये टेबल का प्राइस है. इसके साथ में हम कोई भी, ये चेयर नहीं, हम कोई भी आपको मैं एक सेट ऑफ चेयर्स वीडियो के आखिरी में बताएंगे, वेयर इन 5 लाख रुपए यू विल गेट एन 8-सीटर.
ऑलराइट, चलिए नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. अभी इसमें भी 2 एलिमेंट है टॉप के ऊपर, सेलेनाइट एंड ऑनेक्स.
ब्यूटीफुल सेलेनाइट. हमने अभी तक खाली सन रेज के हिसाब में पूरा फैला हुआ देखा था. सनबर्स्ट. नाउ वी आर सीइंग सनबर्स्ट इन इट्स ओन कैटेगरी, दैट टेरिटरी. हमने उसकी टेरिटरी बना दी है, भैया आप इसके बाहर नहीं आ सकते.
ओके. Otherwise, this can be in chevron, herringbone, check, anything that you like.
Anything. But
okay.
यहाँ पर.
But this is an interesting pattern, as if the sun is between the door.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. So basically ये कैसा हो गया आपका, white के अंदर ही. See, few people might like it or not like it because of the golden element in this. It can look a little loud to others, or it can look little trendy to others.
Okay.
There are different types of people.
Very true.
But this is like white and white. So this will never look loud.
Obnoxious. Yeah.
It will look luxurious. It will look trendy. But जिसको कलर से प्रॉब्लम होगा ना, वो बंदे को ये लेने में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा.
ठीक बात है. And the base?
The base is again matte black, nickel black, and PVD gold with bottom in matte black stainless steel again, totally to give exactly 100% support.
Alright.
लोग नॉर्मली क्या करते हैं, नीचे प्लाईवुड लगा के दे देते हैं उसका कॉस्टिंग कम करने के लिए.
Very true.
हमारे पास में वो नहीं है. ऊपर भी पूरा फ्रेम बनता है, नीचे भी पूरा फ्रेम बनता है सर.
How much is this for?
This table's price is 6,53,000 सर. उसके 50% डिस्काउंट के बाद में 3,25,000 के आसपास में टेबल आएगा.
चलिए ठीक है.
Which is in selenite, a very best thing.
Alright. Moving on to the next one now.
Yes.
Oh, this is an interesting pattern. More like plates created on the dining top.
Plates created like a buffet counter. उसका बेस को हमने मैच किया है. बेस is semi circles, तो we have made circles there. इसमें वेस्टेज बहुत ज्यादा है संजीव जी, हमें वो भी समझना चाहिए कि जहाँ से भी ये सेलेनाइट इंसर्ट हुआ है वहाँ का ऑनेक्स वेस्टेज में गया है.
बिल्कुल.
इसके पहले वाले में भी हम जो देख रहे थे, जहाँ पर भी है, तो इट इज नॉट ओनली कटिंग. अगर हमें खाली स्लैब कट करना हो तो वी ओनली कट 4 साइड्स, बट दिस इज ऑल टीडीएस सीएनसी वर्क. आपका सर्कल चारों तरफ से 900 mm डाया का रहेगा. ये 300 mm डाया का रहेगा सर्कल.
True.
One
so
circle
the
big,
cost
one
of the
circle
entire
small.
onyx is taken.
Cost of the entire onyx is taken, and selenite also it is one full sheet taken and then made like this.
Oh, so there are double cost involved.
Cost इसमें ज्यादा इन्वॉल्व हो जाता है. When you need design,
beautiful polyester is done. There is no impression at all.
No, it's total seamless. It is total seamless, sir.
Very true. How much is this for with this base?
1 second, sir. I'll just.
How much?
This is like 3,51,000 MRP. और आपका डिस्काउंट के बाद में हो गया आधा. So around 1,75,000.
Okay.
So now in 1,75,000, people are getting selenite.
Okay.
Top.
Done.
Quantity और डिजाइन के साथ में सेलेनाइट का भी टॉप मिल रहा है उन लोग को, which is the best price that can be get.
So these are the chair options available with us. Metal with green.
Yeah.
Right?
So we can have a color change also in this. We have colors in the stocks. उसके हिसाब से भी हम कर सकते हैं. ये चेयर आपको हम दे रहे हैं हमारी हॉट रनिंग चेयर जो पहले चल रही थी बेला, उसके अगेंस्ट में. सो दिस वी हैव इंट्रोड्यूस्ड विद एन हैंड रेस्ट एंड वेरी ब्यूटीफुल बॉडी. ये हमारा चेयर हम आपको दे देंगे 15,000 रुपीज में.
ओके.
विद मेटल लेग्स, suede fabric, quilting, upholstery, पूरा कर 15,000 rupees. This chair is yours.
All right. And these chairs, this one?
This is just a store decor chair, sir. This is not for sale. These two, we have kept it for internal purpose usage के लिए.
All right.
For sitting.
I love it for the color and the size.
Yes.
Well, since it's not available, let's pay attention to this. This called Horn and Bone?
This is Horn and Bone, sir.
Okay.
100% Horn, 100% Bone. Very limited editions. I doubt you will get this on display in Hyderabad except my store anywhere else.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
Very minutely, this brown and the dark brown part is either bone or it is horn.
Yes.
Of course, it is procured from the government sources.
Absolutely.
Because nobody kills bulls.
Yes, yes. And
or
you'll get a proper
buffaloes.
certificate stating that it is this thing, and all the things will be cleared.
Okay, done.
Yes.
And mostly these bones are from those abandoned animals, dead
Yes,
bodies.
yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
So this is for the people, those who believe there's an animal cruelty is involved. That is not so true.
No, 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 no. This is like we are using it after the procurement is done by the government and supplied to us.
Okay, done.
Yes.
How much is this for?
This table, sir, MRP is 3 lakh rupee, and after discount, it is 1.5 lakh rupee table, which is an 8-seater
With the base.
with the base.
Again?
So जो base है,
Come to Delhi. Come to Delhi.
क्या करेंगे सर वहाँ के?
I want this.
हाँ?
I want this also.
I'll send it from here. आप बोलिए पैन इंडिया डिलीवरी. हम तो आपके वजह से we are shipping globally now. इंडिया तो छोड़ दिए, हम बाहर भी भेज रहे हैं हमारे.
Really? Come to the right light. Okay. बाहर भी गया?
बाहर भी गया है, अफ्रीका, कॉन्गो, दुबई. We are shipping everywhere.
I didn't know this. Trust me, it's
People from outside brands are getting manufactured, and we are giving them in India. And apart from that, there are few Claptra family members staying in different cities in US, UK, Dubai, and Africa and other places. We have a lot of inquiries from those places as well, and we deliver them to Gujarat port, and from there the containers are left to their respective countries.
Okay.
So we
people
have
like
already-
you are making Indian furniture manufacturing industry is like one as a whole for the globe.
It's from both the sides, sir. Without you, the reach was not possible. And
Trust me, it feels amazing.
Yes. So
My
people
pressure
from there
has
are calling
risen.
us. Yes. People
My blood
from there-
pressure has risen. It gives me all the more sense
See,
of
उसमें हमारा एक ही
responsibility.
प्रॉब्लम चैलेंज आ जाता है कि आउट ऑफ इंडिया के उसमें हम टेक्निकल सपोर्ट नहीं दे पाते हैं.
हाँ, लेकिन but they are very sound, huh? when it
या
comes to
टेक्निकल सपोर्ट
reality.
नहीं दे पाते हैं इंस्टॉलेशन का उसका. बट व्हाट वी हैव इंट्रोड्यूस्ड द मेथड नाउ इज अ वीडियो कॉल.
Okay, done.
We tell them to arrange a carpenter and their team, and my team from here will do a video call with the same table here, and they'll be assembling it there.
Right. But I'm sure for people like you, or especially for you, it must have been not a very difficult sale or difficult walk, because as it is, you have been following international standards when it comes to the procurement of sources
Absolutely,
of material.
absolutely.
Your material was
They
already
are-
standard.
The review of my clients are that they are purchasing at 10 to 15% cost. What is available at what
Outside
cost
India.
is available outside India.
Oops.
So if there is a transit cost equivalent to the product cost, also they are ready to take it.
I know. So after hearing this, I think I'll be behaving more responsibly, right? I'll be choosing the right kind of people, so they are keeping up their words, or maybe delivering promises.
Absolutely,
right?
sir.
Okay, moving on to the next one now.
So I'll just interrupt you.
Sure.
If you can see this base now, स्टार्टिंग में हमने बोला था कि सर ये बेस है हमारे पास में, इसका छोटा वर्जन भी है और इसका बड़ा वर्जन भी है.
Okay.
So ये उसका छोटा वर्जन है.
Right. This
That
is
pipe was 4 inches by 1 inch. This is 2 inches by 1 inch. So
Very true.
people who feel that base is heavy,
Oh, that's for the larger, bigger house. This is for the smaller dining space.
it is on the people's perspective what I
Okay.
feel, sir.
Done.
If they feel that base is little heavy, they can go for the same design in a sleeker size.
All right.
If they feel that base is lighter, we have a bigger base than that also.
All right.
So
Okay.
any base that they select can be made that way.
All right.
Customization is possible in all the possible categories.
Done. And this Gothic pattern, legs?
Neoclassical, Gothic, European, you can tell
Oh.
anything. Legs तो आपका अगर हम Gothic बोलेंगे तो वो means में चले जाता है. Neoclassical बोलने में the set
Yeah,
looks
आता है
good.
उसमें, because this has got a black in
Yes.
it.
If you can see with respect to that also, the fabric of the chair is also made that way.
Okay.
Owl लिया है. People see all kind of audiences are available in market.
Very true, very true.
ठीक
This is
है.
more like abstract, if I may say. Gothic
This
may
is
not
glamour.
be the right word.
This is what I feel is glamour. If I make if this is my feel. If I am doing my house, I'll get this dining table in my house. This is lifestyle, glamour, fashion for me. I have to carry this furniture in my house.
Very true.
The house should be made that way.
Exactly.
You cannot have plain white walls and keep this there.
Very true, very true, very true. How much is this for?
1 second.
And multiple units available in this?
Multiple units available on the top. Leg we have very limited editions because making them is a very chaotic job. उसका stability का वही आता है. तो legs हमारे पास limited edition है. Top हमारे पास है. And after discount the stable is 3,25,000.
All right. Let's move on to the next one now.
Yes.
These are the chairs for how much?
These are the chairs for this table. And I think with this premium fabric the chair is costing around 22,500 each after discount.
Okay. Let's move on to the next one now. This one is again
Two
elements.
Two elements, two costlier elements together
Okay.
on a very heavy frame.
It's like diamond and platinum together.
Yes.
Okay. So this is selenite. Of
This
course, there are
is-
3 elements. Metal is also there.
Metal is also there. Selenite, metal band, agate. If you can see the agate also in the polyester finish, it's like crystal clear.
Very true.
You can see the reflection through all around, and depends on the light throw how much you want it to be shiny and how much you want it to be matte. It totally depends on lighting how you are keeping out it.
All right. And there are different grades of these selenite. Sorry, these agates also.
Agates and
when
selenite
the sorting
both
is
as
being
well.
done, I
Yes.
have seen some of them are pure white, some of them are with stains, some of them are with lines and grains.
Yes.
Some of them are absolutely fine. These are the A grades ones.
Yes. All the products that we are using are A grade, sir. We tell our client that only if someone is coming and telling you selenite ka table या agate ka table, I'm giving at this price. So you personally go and check the finish.
Okay.
Because we are claiming to be A grade, we give A grade.
Very true.
अब कॉस्टिंग में क्या हो जाता है, कोई लोग उनका जो डेड स्टॉक होता है, जो सेकंड ग्रेड बी ग्रेड का भी सी ग्रेड का भी क्वालिटी होता है, वो भी अगेट ही है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
वो भी अगेट ही है. तो अगेट का टेबल 3,000 में भी मिल रहा है, अगेट आपको 10,000 में भी मिल रहा है.
Very true.
क्यों वो मिल रहा है? Client has to think that. What is the difference?
It's like sorting apples.
Yes.
Or fruits for that matter.
Absolutely.
There are grades, mangoes.
Yes,
They
yes.
also do. Okay. So let's not get into that trivialities. People understand that. Luckily, people like Gitesh is there too. Actually, they have changed the whole perception of people looking at it. Now
People
they
have to
understand.
think, sir, कि one car आज कोई कंपनी कार भी लॉन्च कर रही है, सो वो बेस वर्जन भी लॉन्च करती है और उसका और प्रीमियम वर्जन भी लॉन्च करती है उसका.
Right. So there is a difference.
So the difference, same car in 9 lakhs, same car in 20 lakhs.
I know. Okay. How much is this for? This is in the 20 or 9 lakhs?
This one, the MRP is 5,60,000
All right.
and after discount 3,30,000 rupees में आपको टेबल मिल जाएगा. चेयर्स का रेंज अगेन स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम एड ऑन 50,000 से आप ऐड कर 6 लाख रुपए का सेट MRP हम इसको बना सकते हैं और उसको आगे तक लेके जा सकते हैं.
ठीक है. ये पर्टिकुलर चेयर का क्या प्राइस बताया आपने?
ये चेयर का प्राइस आपका 21,000 का चेयर है सर. ये
पर चेयर.
पर चेयर
ठीक है.
21,000 का एक चेयर है. पूरा टीकवुड बॉडी, सामने आपका मोरक्को लेदर है, लेदराइट, पीछे आपका स्वेड है.
Okay. Done. Let's go to the next one.
यस सर. सेलिंग डाइनिंग टेबल. ये वाला जो डाइनिंग टेबल है इस पे मेटल बेस है, टोटल स्टेनलेस स्टील 304 का. ऊपर ऑनिक्स का टॉप दिया हुआ है 6x3 का, प्योर नीट क्लीन ऑनिक्स, क्रिस्टल ऑनिक्स, और इसका आफ्टर डिस्काउंट प्राइस आ जाएगा 1 लाख रुपीस.
चलिए. Going to the next one now. अब हम क्विकली करते हैं
Yes.
ताकि कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स हमारे व्यूअर्स लास्ट में देख नहीं पाते.
Yes.
Let's show it to our viewers. This one has got a lot of inlay on the
This
top.
has got around on this table 65 kg का brass
base.
only.
Base
Brass
on the top.
on the top.
Oh.
65 to 70 kg का तो brass ही लग गया है इसके ऊपर टॉप पे.
Oh. This must be heavy in that.
Yes, 10 mm thick rod properly. मार्बल के अंदर में CNC कट किया हुआ है 10 mm का precisely. Each line is matching another. All the distances are equidistant. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं कि एक यहाँ एक थोड़ा बड़ा हो गया एक छोटा हो गया. यही प्रिसिशन हम लोग लेके आ रहे हैं. अगर हैंडमेड होता तो all the lines would have been different sizes.
Very true. And the thickness also will
Thickness
vary.
also will vary. But as this is done on a very premium high-end machine of CNC, इसीलिए इसका प्राइस थोड़ा बढ़ जाता है क्योंकि मशीनरी कॉस्ट भी इन्वॉल्व हो जाता है इनके ऊपर.
How much is this for?
दिस टेबल इज फॉर 1,60,000 rupees approximately.
And these chairs?
That is after discount 1,60,000. And this chair is 27,500 after discount in leather, 20,000 rupees in fabric.
Okay. So there are a few more to go. Quickly we'll wrap up.
Yes,
This
sir.
one has got center base.
This one has got center base, sir, total metal frame which is visible on the sides,
Okay.
and a composite marble on the top.
All right.
The price of this table after discount would be 1 lakh rupees. And we'll move on to the next table,
Okay.
which is here. इसका बेस और यही composite top के साथ में ये टेबल मिल जाएगा 75,000 रुपीज़ में.
All right. ठीक है. When we talk about the composite top, composite means machine made marble.
Artificial marble. Quads का artificial version हो गया, ये समझ के चलिए.
Right. How much you said for this?
75,000 rupees.
Okay. ठीक
With
है.
the base and the top अगर आप Onyx लेंगे तो उसके हिसाब से फिर आपका 60,000 बढ़ जाता है.
Okay.
तो
ठीक है.
1,25,000 के आसपास में फिर ये आपका टेबल आ जाएगा.
Okay. Some of the chair options are available. Like this one is available, chair option.
Yes sir.
How much?
I'll show you this chair, that chair, this one, this cream chair, that purple maroon one, green, this
Mustard yellow.
No,
Okay.
that one, the parrot green one,
Okay. And lavender.
this lavender, this gray. These all chairs are available at on any dining. You can just add 50,000 rupees
And get 6
and
chairs.
get 6 chairs.
Okay. This
After
one is
50%
different.
discount का. ये अलग है सर. ये this is a different chair. This is a very premium heavy chair. So this each chair is around 30,000 rupees.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. ठीक है. We'll show some action chairs now quickly.
Yes sir.
Revolving. How much is this for?
So this is an accent chair or hot running accent chair. इसका MRP है 1,40,000 rupees
Okay.
आपका, और डिस्काउंट के बाद में आ जाएगा 70,000 rupees में आपको.
Okay.
This accent
ठीक है.
chair.
These are action chairs?
This can be, मैं multi-purpose chair है मैं बोलता हूँ.
Okay. No, it was on.
Oh.
Okay. So multi-purpose as in it can be used with dining chair?
Yeah, this can be used as a dining chair, accent chair, study chair and every other thing. So this has beautifully got back upholstery, metal.
Achha, this is metal?
Yeah,
I
this
thought it
is
was fiber.
No, this is pure metal leatherite in the center.
Okay.
And this is in front, it's suede fabric.
Uh-huh.
Totally. Very premium one. So this chair would be around 65,000 MRP. डिस्काउंट के बाद 32,500 में चेयर आ जाएगा. पैर भी पूरा 304 ग्रेड मेटल का सिंगल फ्रेम लेग है.
अच्छा.
All 4 legs are attached to one single frame on the top, so that the stability of the chair is very intact.
Okay.
And the chair is quite heavy. Yeah.
Yeah, please.
So this is a very beautiful model. Half and half, back and back बोल सकते हैं इसको हम लोग.
Right.
यहाँ पर अपना क्विल्टिंग किया हुआ है ब्राउन लेदर में, और यहाँ पर अपना क्विल्टिंग किया हुआ, ये अपना प्लेन रखा हुआ है इन स्वेड व्हाट यू से इको लेदर with pure dark color piping, so to add that attraction to the chair. Yes. And this base of this chair is pure MS, mild steel में बना हुआ है. If you can see this part, देखने पर वुड दिख रहा होगा पर मेटल है, तो मेटल में भी वैसा चैम्फरिंग हमने मशीन पे करवाया हुआ है.
Okay.
To add it as a wood effect, but giving a very durable product to the client.
Because it's metal.
Yes, because
How
it's
much
a
is
metal.
this for?
Yes, chair after discount 15,000 rupees में रहेगा सर.
ठीक है.
So this chair is very beautiful, comfortable high back chair. After discount, it is somewhere around 47,500 rupees.
All right.
Yes. Yeah. This is again a pure leather chair. Leather पीछे है इसके. Fabric jute का सामने किया हुआ है. Being pure leather, this chair would cost in around 75,000 rupees. If you are doing this chair in fabric, it will cost you around 50,000 rupees. This is a very beautiful chair, sir. If you can see, the design is different. The
And
legs,
very heavy also.
very heavy. The design is different. Legs are different, and very floral, nice, soothing pattern is added to the chair. So this is like one of the wonderful creations that I like. कि घर में जाएं, one piece should be like this. कि okay, this is attracting and soothing your mind.
Okay.
So this is one beautiful chair that we like. I like personally. Yes.
How much is this for?
This chair after discount would be 35,000 rupees. This is a very relaxing chair, sir. If you can see, the base is little wider. And the back is stiffer. आपको inclined position भी proper मिल रही है back में. And you get a footrest. So when you want to relax, read a book, or have a corner cozy seating, this is the best element for that. So this chair with footrest and everything will cost you around 50,000 rupees.
Okay.
This is a dark grey color.
Boucle.
Yes.
And this one?
This is sir 1956 Herman Miller's lawn chair.
Okay.
ये चेयर का एक पर्टिकुलर नाम है,
Right.
डिजाइनर है, ब्रांड है, उन्हीं के हिसाब से ये किया हुआ है. इसके बहुत रेप्लिकास मार्केट में आते हैं, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम फैब्रिक टू लेदराइट, इको लेदर और लेदर में भी. अभी जो हमारे पास वर्जन है वो प्योर लेदर वर्जन है.
Okay.
हम उसी की बात कर रहे हैं. ये जो लेदर वर्जन है आपका प्योर वीनियर बैक में विद रिवॉल्विंग 360 डिग्री रिवॉल्विंग.
All right.
will come to you at 1,35,000 after discount.
Okay, this is pure leather.
Pure leather. वही अगर हम लेदराइट में कर लें इसको तो 1 लाख में
Okay.
ये आ जाएगा. Currently this chair is famous by the name by Shark Tank.
Okay.
Shark Tank का chair बोल के famous है.
Herman Miller, the company, was into furniture manufacturing, but only for offices.
Yes.
So is it made for office?
This is this design was made by the company with respect to office relaxation areas.
All right, for the boss's cabin.
Yes, MD's cabins or higher position heads cabin to have them a little nap or relaxation time for 10-15 minutes. It's a very relaxing chair. Every single inch of the chair is made with respect to anthropometry.
Okay.
Ergonomics is taken care, and every detail is taken in mind while designing this chair by the designer.
Okay.
That is why it is so hot running all the way.
All right, let's move on to the next one.
Yes.
Is this our fabric section?
Yes, sir. This is our conference room and fabric selection section. We select all the designs, fabrics, and everything that way. We have almost all 1,000 plus squashes.
Wow.
And apart from that, one full wardrobe filled with all fabric catalogs.
Swatches.
Squashes catalog, so that the client has a number of choices.
All right.
Apart from that, we also give them freedom ki you can get your fabric and give it to us. There is no issue in doing
Because
that.
other than the wood and metal, fabric also plays an important
Absolutely.
role.
So we are a lifestyle brand. We don't want to restrict a client to a particular thing कि sir हम customize करके दे रहे हैं but आप हमारे catalog में से select करो. नहीं, it's not like that.
Okay.
If they want any fabric from any brand, they can just source it or we'll source it for them and we'll use it.
Okay.
Fabric, everything. It is according to the client the product should become.
Done. More like boho concept chair.
Yes.
Very, very popular design in the world.
Yes. Bohemian concept. This chair is. This chair looks sleeker from both the sides, but it's a very comfortable chair. When you sit on it, you get proper sitting comfort on this chair. It is in leather right now, pure leather. So in pure leather, the price of the chair would be on 50,000 to 50.
50,000?
50,000 rupees.
Okay.
Approximately 50,000 rupees.
Done.
In pure leather. And leatherite and all the price would definitely come down.
So we'll start rolling with this last section chair, then we'll go to see one of the most beautiful dining set after this. This is Beauclerk.
Yes, sir. This is Beauclerk fabric. The chair is very beautiful, designer, curvilicious corner chair. Meant for sitting, folding your laps up, sitting there. Two people, one mother, child can also sit together, relax and have their me time. जो बोलते हैं ना me time chair है.
Right, right.
This is that me time chair.
Right. How much is this for?
This chair's MRP is 1,24,000 rupees, sir. And after discount, this would come around 62,500 rupees.
All right. Let's check out the dining set now.
Yeah.
Last one, very heavy, extremely durable and sturdy dining set.
Yes, sir.
Let's talk about this.
So this is the base that we have made again. If you can see, हमने एक इसका medium version बताया.
Okay.
इसका sleeker version बताया frame का.
Right.
Now this is the bigger version of that frame.
Okay. Very futuristic.
Yeah, very futuristic. Very beautiful design. It is it is in this segment. That means it is the hottest running product of our entire thing. So ये table का price भी हमारा बहुत ही सही है. MRP 3,50,000 है और डिस्काउंट 50% के बाद में आपका 1,75,000 में you get a 8 or 10 seater dining table with onyx top and beautiful metal frame.
Very smart bar chairs. Quickly, we'll show it to our viewers. Multiple units are available. Some of them are like Herman Miller sort, right? The same pattern.
Yes.
But they're not. Okay. But starting with this one.
Yes, sir. So this is a bar chair which has pure metal and sitting comfort is very good on this. So we have come with bar chairs with very beautiful pricing right now. This chair would land to the client in around 11,000 rupees only.
Okay. Done.
Okay. This is a fabric chair, quilted with back support till lumbar and metal legs, metal strength and every other thing. The price of this would be around 9,000 rupees.
This
This
one
is
my
after
favorite.
discount prices that I am telling, sir. All.
Okay. Done. This one.
Yeah. So ये वाला आपका chair हो गया. This is rotating. As well as you have got stainless steel. इसमें हमने steel color का ही रखा है. Wood रखा है to give that earthy finish. And leatherite in the seat.
Okay.
So this was around 8,500 rupees.
Okay.
Yes.
This one has got oak finish.
This has got cherry. पीछे चेरी ओक फिनिश दिया है हमने. ये पूरा मेटल स्ट्रक्चर है, मेटल बैंड है, नीचे भी मेटल है. इट इज वेरी हेवी, स्टैटिक चेयर, इसमें मेटल एलिमेंट ज़्यादा यूज करने की वजह से प्राइस थोड़ा अप हुआ है.
I'm sure I was convinced that. And in
Yes.
fact, before you broke the ice, I was kind of prepared it's going to be a little on the expensive
Yes.
side. Because look at the kind of thickness this metal has got.
Yes.
And this is one piece.
Yeah, this is one piece. So यही difference आया था. So this is 10 mm that we are using. So people use 1 mm, 1.5 mm, 2 mm and they give the same thing at a cheaper prices.
I know. It's not going to work because any
Yes.
which ways this has to bear the load.
Yes, if someone is taking a support, it has to take the load.
Very true.
Yeah.
How much is this for?
This is for 17,000 rupees.
Is it made in India?
This is made in our plant.
Okay.
Totally.
Wow.
Yes.
Very nice. And again, I wish you were in Delhi. Move on.
So this is again the way our Italian brands does. With multiple veneer layered. Okay, finely polished. Very beautiful chair. 10,500 rupees with hydraulic system.
Okay. 10,000 rupees?
10,500.
Okay. And very
for
smart
this
and
chair.
sleek.
Yeah, total rotating, very sturdy. If you can see. The client can rotate it very nicely and easily. These
Very
goes
true.
mostly for houses, restaurants and hospitality sector with us. So hospitality sector के हिसाब से ही हमने फिर ये introduce किए हैं अभी पूरे
People
models.
generally keep them with the breakfast counters.
Yes, breakfast
Okay.
counters in residential,
And
cafes,
bar-
restaurants, bars के लिए भी ये भी
Bar
बहुत
counters.
trending है.
Okay. I am in love with this one. This is
Yeah,
very
this
sleek
is
and smart.
this is sleek and smart. आप अगर देखेंगे इसको बहुत ही स्ट्रक्चरली स्ट्रांग बनाया हुआ है. दिस इज ऑल सॉलिड वुड. वो मेटल फ्रेम है, ये भी वैसे ही मेटल फ्रेम लिया हुआ है. जस्ट आप हमने जो पहले पीवीडी वाला मेटल का देखा था उसी के टाइप में उसका थोड़ा लोअर वर्जन बनाया हुआ है ये.
How much is for this?
दिस इज 8,000 rupees.
This one? Okay.
8,000 rupees. We are happy in that price.
And this one?
This chair is again almost similar to the first one which we have shown, chromed version of that, and that chair is around 11,000 rupees.
Okay. चलो ठीक है. Okay, Gitesh ji. So time to lap it up.
Yes, Sanjeev ji.
All right. Thank you very much.